Little Chef, guess what? You know it's that time of the year again, and I'm going back on the yacht this summer. This channel is the true below deck. So follow along to see what I do as a chef working on a yacht. This year I'm working on a 90-foot Ocean Alexander. Once I get on the yacht, I'm gonna do a grand tour of it. I also bought a GoPro and a really nice camera to showcase my food and all of the adventures we do on and off the boat. Of course, I'm going to be posting on TikTok, but check out my YouTube channel where I'm going to be posting longer form content. It's going to be awesome. So today I had a phone call with the owner of the yacht. We sat down for a 45-minute conversation to solidify dates, flights, guests coming on board, dietary restrictions, and pretty much every single detail. Having this conversation allows me to start planning my menu for the whole 2-month trip. And this menu planning process takes about 2 months in total. And I'm going to take you through step by step of how I planned for this trip. Bye, Little Chef.